Okay. I am Asha. I am Isha. So, Asha and Isha. I am Asha. I am a girl. I am 5 years old. I live in Chennai. My favorite color is blue. So, how old is Asha? Asha is 5 years old and she is a girl. Where does she live? She lives in Chennai. What's her favorite color? Her favorite color is blue. My favorite game is football. What is Asha's favorite game? It is football. My favorite food is dosha and sambar. Now we will discuss about Ishan. Ishan is a boy. He is 6 years old. He lives in Delhi. His favorite color is yellow. His favorite game is cricket. His favorite food is aloo paratha and curd. What is aloo paratha? Have you heard? Paratha? Yes, it is a kind of parota made of potato. This potato is also an ingredient of this paratha. And what is curd? Curd is a product made from milk. We can also say that it is a dairy product. So Ishan is a boy. He is 6 years old. He lives in Delhi. His favorite color is yellow. His favorite game is cricket. And his favorite food is aloo paratha and curd. That's all about Ishan. So, today we learned about Asha and Ishan. Asha is a girl. Ishan is a boy. Asha is 5 years old while Ishan is 6 years old. Asha lives in Chennai while Ishan lives in Delhi. Asha's favorite color is blue while Ishan's favorite color is yellow. Asha's favorite game is football while Ishan's favorite game is cricket. Asha's favorite food is dosha and sambar while Ishan's favorite food is, what is it? Yes, it is aloo paratha and curd. So that's all about Asha and Isha. I attached the PDF of this lesson and notes. So go through the instructions given below and do accordingly. That's all for today. Thank you.